In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin a header in Wix. This simple but essential skill can be a game changer for enhancing user experience on your website. A pinned header ensures it's always visible at the top of your visitor's screen, making navigation effortless. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to navigate over to the Wix website editor. If you're not already logged in, make sure you enter your credentials and access your site from the dashboard. Once you're in the editor, you'll be greeted with all the tools you need on the left side, with your website preview in the middle and various settings and options on the right. It's a very intuitive layout, so don't worry, you'll get the hang of it quickly. Now, to begin the process, you need to locate your header. That's the section at the top of your web page, which typically includes your site's logo and navigation menu. Click on it. This action will highlight the header, signaling that it's selected and ready for editing. You'll notice that when you click the header, a new range of tools and options becomes available. This is where you'll find everything you need to customize and pin your header. Next up, focus your attention on the header's settings. You'll see an option that says Settings. Go ahead and click that. This opens a menu dedicated to fine-tuning various aspects of your header's appearance and behavior. It's in this menu where most of the magic happens when it comes to making your header stand out, or, in our case, remain stationary as users scroll through your content. Within the settings, look for an option labeled Freeze or Fixed Position, depending on your version. These terms are sometimes used interchangeably, but they mean the same thing in this context. Keeping the header in place as visitors scroll down the page. Click on this option, and you'll often see a checkbox or toggle button. Make sure this is switched on to activate the function. With your header all set to be pinned, the next logical step is to preview your changes. Click on the Preview button, usually up at the top of the editor. This will open a new window displaying your site as if you were a visitor. Scroll down the page and you should see your header sticking to the top, just as we intended. Verify that it works seamlessly and doesn't obstruct any important content below. If everything checks out, you can confidently hit Publish to make your edits live. By following these straightforward steps, you've ensured a streamlined and consistent navigation experience for your site visitors. A pinned header not only serves a practical purpose, but also adds a professional touch to your website. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial, and happy editing.